Good morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So I am presenting the screen. Confirm if the screen is presentable or not. Yesterday we did the types of solution and the graphs. Today we'll be doing equations based on graphs. So we're here, you have to solve the equation graphically. Clear? Two equations are here. Kindly draw the graph. Make sure the graph is drawn on a graph paper, because yesterday we did it on graph paper. This is a question from 1997. It's a very pretty old one. I want you to do it on a graph paper and tell me the solution. If it's parallel, let me know. If it's intersecting, let me know. We'll do some selective questions from here. Kindly do it fast. Let's see how much of it is fresh in your mind. You did it using elimination. I want you to do it using graphs. The answer might come right. Y equals to 1, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2. This type of graph is obtained. You plot the graph, no problems. Don't find the answer using the plotted graph. This one, don't find it using that. But I want you to do it on a graph paper. How many have plotted the graph?
Sir, can you please show that?
Ankit, yes? Question?
Yes, yes.
I hope everyone present here has submitted the work. Who is this Soma Das? Can anybody tell me? Gaurav Das? Who is Gaurav Das? Soma Ghosh to chalo Rohit. Tell me about this Rana Surya Ghosh. Rana Surya to he's in 10D only.
Yes, sir.
But he did not submit. Who is this Gaurav gang is unique? Does anybody know who is Gaurav gang is unique? Gaurav Das, I think.
No, sir.
Anyone is in your class names Gaurav? Gaurav Das, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, this person is cloned out here. How was the test? Easy?
Yes, sir.
Morning, I'm receiving calls and all. The moment I switched on my phone got switched off. Yes, we will not waste much of time on graphs. We will do some important questions which are important from graph point of view. Yes. Question number 19, can everybody see? Yes?
Yes, sir.
This is a question asked in 1994, 1994, both the questions. Now you say, sir, it will be asked in our time also. I don't know. Everything is possible on this planet. 1, 2, 3. Three equations are given. Graphically find the vertices of the triangles whose sides are given below. Can you find out the vertices of the triangle? First of all, first step is step 1, plot the graph. Plot all the graphs. Step 2, find the intersecting point. Step 3, intersecting points are the vertices of triangle. Chalo, plot it fast. I'm pausing the video. Let's see who can answer the first three coordinates of the vertices. Yes, I think enough time was allotted. I need the coordinates. 2 comma 1, someone said the first coordinate. It's wrong. This is the coordinates.
2, 5. Yes, sir. 2, 5. 5, 1, 3.
1 comma 3 and
minus 4,
minus 4 comma 2. Clear? You have to find the intersecting points of these lines. Let me change the ink. I'll change it to red. To find the intersecting between the intersecting lines. Did everybody understand what to do out here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are the required vertices of a triangle. Clear? Now do we see the second equation over here? Second question. Yx, y0. This is a simpler and an easier one. Let's see how many can get the answer for this. Simply plot the lines. I'm pausing the video. Do it now. The answers. How many have got the answer? Tell me the coordinates. Let's see if anyone has got the answer or not. First of all, tell me what is the equation of y equals to x. Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
This is y equals to x. Always don't forget to write the line. Y equals to 0, which one? This is y equals to 0, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or people have marked this one.
No, sir.
Y equals to 0 is x axis. Had this been x is equals to 0, it meant y axis. Keep this in mind. If not kept, write it down. उसके बाद this one, I think it will be 0 0 1 by 3. It will be somewhat like this. Yes? Yes. So what are the coordinates? Now these coordinates are a bit confusing. One coordinate will be 0 comma 0. Other coordinate will be 10 by 3 comma 0, and one more coordinate will be 5 by 3, 5 by 3. Understood? Now someone might have a question, sir, how can we find the coordinates without forming the graph? You simply do one thing. You simply solve these equations. You solve these two equations, you will get one coordinate. You solve these two equations, you will get one coordinate. You solve these two equations, you will get one more coordinate. You have three coordinates, yes or no? Yes or no? Answer, answer. तुम भुला ना सकोगी तुम प्यास हो तुम जगा ना सकोगी Now, moving on to question number 20. We have determined the graphically whether this is consistent or inconsistent. Okay? Now I'll pause the video for you all to try it out. So yes, enough time was given. Now, determine graphically whether this two is consistent or inconsistent. So first of all, you simply plot the graphs. Okay? This is the graph, and you see the graph is intersecting at one point. So we'll say one point, therefore the system is consistent. Clear? Now, if somebody asks you what is the solution for this graph, you will say it's the intersecting point. Okay, now without drawing it on graph paper, you can still solve it, but however the question has said on graph paper, so you'll do it on a graph paper. So if it's consistent, you know this condition B1 by B2, right? If it's inconsistent, it has to be A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Clear? Now, moving on to the next one, we have determined by drawing the graph whether the following solution has unique solution or not. You have first two questions. I'll give you exactly 3 minutes to solve it, and we'll be back. Now enough time was given. Let's see how many have found the solution for this. So after we plot the graph for this two, we will get a graph which is intersecting at one point. So we'll say that it's a unique solution graph. So you always keep in mind that what the question is actually asking. The question over here asks that whether it has unique solution or not. So you not mention about consistency or inconsistency, just mention that unique solution. Clear? Second question has, again we'll see it will not intersect at one point, it will intersect at infinite points. So we'll say we have no unique solution. We don't have to mention that it has infinite many solutions. Clear? I hope people have understood this. Now question number 22, 1 to 5, these will be your homeworks for today. Kindly copy this down. This has been coming into CBSE's all. Let's do one thing, do from 1 to 6. Screenshots will be provided in the class. Can you do it? Now that's it for today's class. I'll pause the video. Let's see if anybody is having any doubts. Please let me know now. The classroom is open for discussion. Any queries? Okay then,